Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Mastermind. In this video I am going to show you how to install Python properly on Windows 11. First, let's check whether Python is already installed on this computer. Hit Windows R and type cmd and hit enter. Now type python version and hit enter. You see, Python was not found. This means Python is not installed yet. So let's download Python. Open your browser and go to the official website python.org. Download, click here and it will be downloaded. Now start the installation process. Once the download is complete, open the installer and click customize installation, or you can just add python.exe to path. Use admin privileges when installing. Okay, now just install now. You can see setup process is running. Here it shows setup was successful. Now close it and let's verify the installation. After the installation is complete, again we will hit Windows R and type cmd and hit enter. This time python -- version and hit enter. Here you can see Python is showing its version 3.14.0 is installed correctly, and that's it. Python is now fully installed on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.